Hey everyone, I'm Justin with 702pros.com. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing of the universal smartphone cell phone mount holder adapter for tripods. Awesome. Let's get started. Pineapple. Phone. Pineapple. Ow. Tripod. Universal smartphone cell phone mount holder adapter for tripods. We're going to do an unboxing. Oh, what the? And all you're going to need for this video is a tripod and a pineapple cell phone and a cell phone and a bag from Amazon that has the universal smartphone cell phone mount holder adapter for tripods. So there you go. All right. Cue the intro. Okay. Hey guys, we're back. So we're gonna do the universal smartphone cell phone mount holder adapter for tripods. Pineapple. Oh, I got a phone. So first we get a phone. Next we get pineapple. Ah. We got a bag from Amazon. We're gonna do an unboxing of it. And then also we got the tripod. So I'm gonna set this up. And this is the universal, I'll have the link for it, but it's a holder for your smartphone to be attached to a tripod that you'd usually use for like a Canon camera. Scissors. Who's about to throw scissors at me? No, I can rip this open myself. Hold on. Let me put the phone up for a second. This is really dangerous. Ha! Yeah! Oh. All right, so we got that. And then oh man, this thing's heavy. Okay, I got it. Okay, so just take that bag and you can throw it that way. And then we got this little doohickey. It's another little baggie. So you slide it like that. And then make sure there's no scorpions or spiders in there. And we got a manual. I'm gonna throw that manual away. And then you got the little doohickey holder thing.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This thing's already breaking. Oh no. Michael!
Get it open
Help
already!
me! Okay, so you got the two pieces for the phone. And then you got a little handkerchief to wipe your nose with. No, I think this is to wipe your screen. It's one of those little silk thingies. So we got the bag. I'm going to keep that, but I'm just going to throw it back there for right now. All right. So now let's take this little doohickey. I'm going to put this in my pocket. I'm going to take out the phone. Let's just set that there. All right. Maybe I shouldn't have thrown away that manual. All right. So we got this thing. How does it work? All right. So this looks like it has a spring in it. There's a little bolt there that you loosen. And then this, oh, okay, it's not a spring, it's just like an action. You roll that bolt out and it moves it for the phone. I would probably prefer a spring. I like the springs, they're faster. But this is like the first time I've used this one. And this was, I think, $8 or so on Amazon, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna try it. All right, so the springs are a lot better. So I loosen that up, put your phone in, and then you take this. How does this work? Oh, okay, so you have this piece, and then you have the back of the mount. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Baby. All right, so you have the back of the mount on the back of the phone. Then you have this extra piece. They didn't come together, they were apart. So first I took this little screw, unscrewed it, and it makes it wider. You can put your phone in, and then you screw it back down to make it tight. This thing's pretty good. So then you're gonna, with this screw facing up, and I guess you could have read the manual for this, but we don't like manuals here. All right, so I'm just gonna, there's little grooves on this piece. Might need to adjust my camera. but there's little grooves on this piece. With the lights in. There's you can see that. Look at it. There's grooves on here, and then there's grooves on the back. If you just kind of match it up, if you ever done a puzzle, it's kind of like that. So you match it up till it clicks. Or I guess you don't have to match it up. So you just put it on and you start to screw it. And then I'm going to, so I'm going to screw the back piece on. And then as you get tighter, I think, all right, you can adjust it to whatever angle you want, but just make it sure it's somewhat level. And then there we go. So that's your mount for how you're going to put it on your tripod. And with my tripod, I have on the top, here, I'm going to put this down for a second. Ooh, and it sits on the desk. It could just sit on a desk like that too. That's nice. Okay, so on the top of my tripod, and if you're wondering, this is a K&F concept tripod. It's really nice. I got this probably a year ago, and it's the main tripod that I use at the office when I'm doing videos. And I think it was like $70. But on top, I have this King Joy fluid head. And this just allows for, and I'll put some links to these products and below. I got them all off Amazon, in addition to the universal smartphone, cell phone mount holder adapter for tripods that I just got. So let's take off the fluid head, because that you can't attach if you have a fluid head on there. This would be nice if it had a different mount, because I want to mount it directly in, like, oh, okay, never mind. Hold on, 1 second. So with your tripod, you get this piece. And this, it's gonna work with this. I don't have to take the fluid head off. So this piece comes with like every tripod. And that's what you usually attach your camera on, this little screw. Well, this makes it so your phone has the same screw. So you're just gonna attach it to this piece. And then there's a little wing nut on the back. You're just gonna screw that righty-tighty. Get it right on there. There you go. That's nice. So now I got that mounted. So we have that mount. And then with the fluid head, you have to adjust this piece. You adjust this piece, and then you slide this in like that. Right? Right, and then you push down and lock it. So now I have this on there, and this has kind of been a challenge to put this. It doesn't look like it's level, even though I have the tripod leveled. There's a little level on here that tells you if it's level. It looks like I have to go forward. And this fluid head was, I think, $30. I'll put the price of it. But this one's pretty nice. These fluid heads can go for hundreds of dollars. And this one I've had for the same time as I've had the tripod. I bought them. They're made by different companies, but I bought them separate. And this one's nice. I mean, for the price, it's pretty good for shots. You can go with that fluid head. This isn't a video on this, but with the fluid head, you can go left and right. You can adjust that, and then you can go up and down. So just get it to the spot you want, turn on your camera, and it's good to go. So for $8 for this little piece, it makes it really easy. And you can take it off of this. You can take it off here. I don't recommend taking it off that way. Take it off of the fluid head or off of your tripod, and then spin that little. Most of these have a wing nut on the back, but this is just the coupling to bring your camera to the tripod, and all tripods are going to have that. So this works. This is I think a 1/4 inch nut on there. So you just adjust that how you want. All right. So I think for $8, this thing was pretty cool, and you can, if you want to just hold it here or you can get a selfie stick. This will work on selfie sticks too. I think I have a selfie stick. Let me see if it works perfect on there. I'm back. All right, so yeah, I got the selfie stick. It actually works on there pretty nice too. And a lot of the new selfie sticks are gonna have this attachment.
Wow.
That works with it. So it works on there, it works on a big size tripod, and then the little minis that I got here. That's pretty cool for $8. Because before I had this harness for a camera, and I was strapping it like onto the tripod, and it wasn't working perfect. But this is what it's meant for. So okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you want to see videos on marketing, digital marketing, also tips, reviews, and like unboxing videos just like this with tech gear, I do videos like that from time to time. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and then hit the notification if you want to see more videos. And thanks for watching. Again, my name is Justin Young with 702pros.com, and I'll see you next time.